during COVID, I put on probably 35 to 40 pounds. Nearing towards the age of 40, I also started noticing a lot of emotional and mental issues that I was having. And then I stumbled upon age rejuvenation. I made the appointment, I came in, reviewed the program. The next step was to come in and get my blood work with the nurses. And then we did the review of my blood work, and the nurse mentioned that I was estrogen dominant. All the symptoms of, you're not able to lose weight, you carry a lot of weight around your belly, menstrual cycle can be super crampy, moody. I was just like checking the boxes left and right. It kind of painted a picture of how I was feeling. So then I made the decision of starting the tirzepatide program with the nutritionist, and then the hormones came I think a couple weeks after I did decide to jump the gun. I figured if I'm gonna do this for the next 3-month hardcore, I owe it to myself to do the hormone replacement as well, and let's just see how healthy I can get. So within the 3 months, I lost a total of 37 pounds, and 31 pounds of that was fat. I increased my muscle tone. I've lost 25 inches total all over my body. The fat just kind of fell off, especially when I added the hormones. And I would say that I feel mentally, physically, and emotionally the best that I have, I would say probably before my 20s. I'm Nikki, and I've lost 37 pounds at Age Rejuvenation, and I feel amazing.